Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint in consumer court. You will first determine the appropriate forum based on the value of goods or services and the compensation sought. For disputes up to 20 lakh rupees, approach the district forum. Amounts exceeding 20 lakh rupees, but not more than 1 crore rupees, go to the state commission. Cases beyond 1 crore rupees should be filed with the National Commission. Once you know where to file, gather all supporting documents carefully. This includes invoices, receipts, warranty cards, and any contracts related to your purchase or service. Make sure to compile all correspondence you had with the opposing party, whether it is emails, letters, or even call records. These pieces of evidence will form the backbone of your case, providing clear proof of your grievance. Without thorough documentation, your claim might face significant challenges. Now, you will draft your formal complaint known as a petition. Clearly state your name and the details of the opposite party. Describe the incident or deficiency in services with precise dates and facts, avoiding emotional language. You must clearly specify the compensation or relief you are seeking, such as a refund, replacement, or damages. Remember to sign the complaint and attach an affidavit verifying the truth of your claims. After preparing everything, you will file your complaint with the relevant consumer forum, usually in person or by registered post. Ensure you pay the nominal filing fee, which typically ranges from 25 rupees to 5,000 rupees, depending on your claim value. Always keep copies of all documents submitted, along with proof of filing. The court will then issue a notice to the opposite party. You can track your case's progress online or through the forum's registry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.